Hello, welcome to our house. I'm going to show you around. So this is our living room. We have a big TV and you can see we've got some paintings that we've done there as well because we like to enjoy our time together in the house. If you follow me this way, we have the kitchen. Here's our kitchen. It's very spacious as well, as you can see. So we all have space for everything that we need. We have our kitchen table, and we have a washing machine and a dishwasher, which is such a privilege to have. Makes everything a lot easier for us as well. Now let's go upstairs. This is my room. So it's very spacious as well, as you can see. I like my fairy lights. My bed is very comfortable, and we have furniture as well, which is all very useful.
So this is my room. This is my kind of like chill space. It's quite nice because it's big and we can kind of chill out here together. So also similar thing, very nice chill out space, kind of a space where we can all sit and discuss together.
Yeah.
Maybe do the reading, have chats. And
we like sitting up, looking out the windows, because obviously this is the attic room. So it's nice to just look out the window, especially when it's warm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah,